Hi Saurabh,
Hi Sanjeev, how are you?
good. How about you? तो आपका आज का क्या दिन कैसा गया? How was your day?
The day was good. I had a workshop in the morning. Just started my new master class, so that started with day, and then focusing on some aspects on Instagram. Talked to a few clients, and here I am now.
Wow. So how are you feeling? Tired?
No,
Uh,
no, completely refreshed. Actually, very good.
is it real or artificial?
Right now, it's real.
Wow, wow. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? So welcome to this session, which is live session on YouTube today. And as every Sunday we come live, and today we are on real versus artificial part two. So, Doctor, I am sure I got a lot of questions. You got a lot of questions. Let's start the question what you have so that we can talk on that. Yeah.
Absolutely, I think. Yeah, let's get there. So, uh, but something is showing up for me.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, so it's this conversation this morning,
Hmm.
and the conversation was with a client on when I was talking about when do you forgive and when do you not forgive,
Okay.
when do you punish, and the second question was that if it's all real or artificial, what is the meaning of duality and oneness in all of this? What does that really mean? And I thought they were interesting conversations to take on because they take us much deeper than just what we've been talking about the last few days. So definitely. So what would you like to take up first? The conversation on forgiveness and punishment, or the conversation on oneness versus duality as related to real and artificial?
I would love to go with this. I think that's the main thing.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So, what was your conversation? How did it go at that time?
I actually didn't say much. I said I will get back to them in some time. I wanted to kind of allow this to brew in me and let it, let the universe kind of share its point of view. So what showed up as I was thinking about this the whole day was one, the conversation of oneness is very good in theory, okay, and by oneness it means that we are made of the same cloth, the same material, whatever you want to call it. But one becomes a shirt, another becomes a curtain. Okay. एंड पीपल से ऐसा कैसे होता है भाई आप एक ही कॉटन से आते हैं कॉटन का कर्टन हो कॉटन की शर्ट हो बराबर ही है वो कॉटन से आ रहे हो दिस इज वॉट truly it means to be in oneness. But are we one? Now, if we are on planet Earth and if we force ourselves to be in oneness, we are actually disrespecting the rules of the planet. The planet wants us to experience separation. The planet wants us to experience transaction. The planet wants us to collaborate. And collaboration can only happen between two people, not in oneness. So, while oneness is all great talk beyond the planet Earth, but on Earth, it's about duality. Knowing, yes, that we are of the same thing, so eventually all of it doesn't matter, that's the reality. But while you're here, you must experience all of it. So, while you and me are the same person, but the way you think and the way I think, based on how we were brought up, evolves us, and that's why we are here together, where we bring on different points of view. If we were in oneness, why do we need this? Why do we need education systems? Why do you even need to eat? Because food also came from the same place. No, so why do you want to eat? Don't eat. If you want to be in oneness, don't eat. Just be. So that whole aspect in coming down to the part that yes, we are one from where we got created, but here on planet Earth, we are here to experience duality. And if we don't, then we are disrespecting. And Yeah, so that's what I think the second part of second question kind of connects, but we'll come to that a little later. I'll take your point now. What do you think?
What you said is the again. I would even avoid using the word artificial or the word real. I'll say this is the truth. We all have evolved on this earth from oneness. We are here to experience with each other, which is known as intermingle, interdependency, and collaborate, what you rightly said.
Hmm.
Ultimately, when we talk about the word oneness, doesn't mean that being on earth you are oneness. Ultimately, we'll go back to oneness.
Yeah.
We have to reach back to oneness.
Yes.
And when we are talking this subject, which is so highly at a very high level of discussion, I would say because we talk about simplicity.
Mm-hmm.
To make it simple, what you said is a perfect thing for our viewers for this question which is popped up. I would say simple. यहाँ पर आप oneness का बहाना लेकर आप बच नहीं सकते. हम कई बार
Correct.
oneness का एक सहारा लेकर हम इसमें से शॉर्टकट निकाल के वहां से निकलना चाहते हैं. यहाँ पर
Exactly.
end of the day, you are you and I am I in this physical form.
Hmm.
As far as long as we are in physical form, we have different identity, different representation, different way of thought process, everything. But only जब इसको simplicity की बात करते हैं, human kindness में, then there is no difference. Then there is no religion, there is no differentiation, there is no casteism, there is no color. Okay. Then there is no work, there is no strata. Human is human. So oneness क्या बोलूँगा? Humanness की human की एक oneness है human. Like vegetable kingdom. उनकी एक oneness है. उनका oneness क्या है? They are not the same vegetable. They are all different, like we all are different. But they all, in oneness from the universe, consume carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
And they give oxygen. That's the oneness at this universal level. We all human beings on oneness consume oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. यहाँ तक oneness ठीक है, लेकिन oneness का सहारा लेके आप कुछ भी करोगे, ये नहीं चलेगा. ये तो क्या है ना सौरभ, हमें सबको मालूम oneness का सहारा लेकर ना हम बहुत सारी चीजों से escape route follow करते हैं.
Yeah, I have used this example before, but in Srimad Bhagavad, Krishna had sent one of his really good friends back to his land where gopis were there, and to teach him the lesson on ego. And he tries and goes teaches them oneness, and they're like, if you believe in oneness, why do you need to teach us? Whatever you know, we should know, right? So it's it's such a thing that yes, at the soul level we know, but at the earth level where there is body, mind, and soul, there is a certain thing you're here to experience, and it's not about having I'm here to have fun. No, there is a larger purpose to it all. Fortunately or unfortunately, the information shared with us is only about the earth. Rest of it happens when you leave the stage. Just like before you came on earth, you had some information. When you joined earth, that memory was removed from you so that you experience it here. And when you go out of earth, you experience something else. So it's that duality you experience here. Have fun with it, enjoy it. Which actually goes to our next question, because do we forgive or do we not? So that why I said earlier that it's connected is because a lot of healers, spiritual leaders say, oh, you must forgive because we are all one. So now absorb this message in, we must all forgive because we are all one. And very interestingly, a person said, we only forgive when we understand. Otherwise, it is not forgiveness, it is forgottenness. भूल जाओ, जाने दो, it's not कि माफ कर दो. But our real freedom comes from when we have forgiven. एक बड़ी पॉपुलर पिक्चर है जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, उसमें बोलते हैं जब दिल से आए, दिल से तब बोलना। दैट दिल से आने वाला बात इज दैट व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड इट देन यू आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस एंड यू गिव फॉरगिवनेस। टिल देन इट is all artificial and not real.
Saurabh, I would like to share
Yes.
this discussion. This is a very common discussion in a very spiritual discussion.
Hmm.
So one day it was happening and there was some very healthy discussion was going on, and I was like quiet. So I was asked, Sanjeev, what's your point of view? I said, see, forgiveness is the highest virtue. I appreciate.
Absolutely, yes.
But I will forgive with my present awareness, with my present level being on earth. Okay? इस कॉन्सेप्ट में कि वी आर वन, वी शुड फॉरगिव, शायद मुझे अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आ जाएगा शायद आगे, लेकिन मैं बोलता हूँ आई विल फॉरगिव फॉर आई एम वन एंड आई वांट टू लिव माय वन लाइफ फुल्ली with contentment. So it's not about, my statement was, it is not about oneness. My forgiveness is for my one self, because I want to live at peace.
Yeah.
So मेरे को आगे क्या होने वाला है, किसको क्या फंड पड़ने वाला है, अभी मैं उस oneness की तरफ नहीं सोच रहा. It's a long back discussion. But I said I would forgive. And if I forgive, then I will, of course, follow the route of that. I will, after forgiving, I will forget. Okay? Otherwise, इसका थोड़ा दूसरा वर्ड है, ये दो वर्ड है ना, forgive and forget. इन दोनों में जो पहले 3 लेटर हैं 4, इसको ना डिवाइड बाय 2 कर दो. 4 को डिवाइड बाय 2 करके कितना आएगा?
2.
Now learn to give and to get. So if you learn to give and to get, you would automatically learn to forgive and forget.
Absolutely. So the other part of the question was, so do I punish people ever?
Okay. All right.
Is forgiveness, because, so I'll tell you, this conversation actually came from a conversation that Yudhishthir and Draupadi were having in Mahabharata, when she was, screaming and yelling for what the hell they did and the mistakes they made. And she spoke about a story where, there's a whole list of things of when you should forgive and when you should not, and why should you not. So it's very interesting, because I've been in the corporate world, you've been in the corporate world. We have teams, and sometimes team members are not doing well. We train them, we try to work with them, but they end up not contributing like we expect them to. In that situation, what do we do? Do we forgive them, and we continue working with them even though they are not doing the job they're supposed to and hampering the larger project, or we punish them by firing them?
So what did you get?
So for me it was very clear, that when you, having done this before, I know that whenever I have, made my attempts and after that let somebody go because they were not contributing in the right manner, they have found the right calling, they have found the right job, they're found from the right place. So punishing somebody does not mean you're actually punishing them. You are letting go them of their space. You're freeing them from the space that they never belong to, so that they can find their true purpose in life. And your letting them go is not yours. It's actually coming from the space of Paramatma, who is like, अच्छा इसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है भाई, अब धक्का मार के निकालना पड़ेगा, तो धक्का मार के. और यही होता है, we have this thing. So sorry, I'm going much more further into this because this just brought up some things. जब भी हम किसी चीज पे अटक के बैठ जाते हैं और हमें खुशी भी नहीं मिल रही है, तो हमें ना एक जोर का धक्का मारा जाता है. यूनिवर्स ऐसा जोर का धक्का मारता है कि भैया अब तो बाहर निकल.
जोर का झटका धीरे से लगा.
And it just goes on and on and on. It's like, and it's happened to me. I'm assuming it's happened to you also, because we are all the way we are. अरे यार अच्छा ये तो चल रहा है ना, इसको पकड़ के बैठे रहो. Let's protect this, protect this, protect this, protect this, protect this, and हम इतना प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कि हम उसकी एनर्जी को ऐसे उसका गला घोट देते हैं और हमको बाहर निकाल दिया जाता है. यू आर आउट. And this is the call of the universe. Now how does it happen in day-to-day life for us? गुस्सा दबा के बैठे हैं, दबा के बैठे हैं, दबा के बैठे हैं, दबा के बैठे हैं. दो चीज़ें होंगी, या तो आप फटोगे ज्वालामुखी की तरह, या आपकी बॉडी फटेगी क्रॉनिक डिजीज़ की तरह. सो you can never ever hold on to a space. And going back to it, so when you are punishing somebody, realize if it is a wrong action on your part, karma will come and take care of it and will take care of the person जिसके साथ गलत हुआ है. And if it's a right action on your part, both you and the other person will get benefited from it. So which goes to the next rule. The first rule we talked about was duality. The second rule is always focus on the larger picture. What is the betterment for society, for your company, for the people around you, rather than focusing on what's better for me. Because when you hesitate from punishing, it's actually you protecting yourself from guilt conscious. I don't want to feel guilty of firing somebody and not allowing them a livelihood. So that's what my point of view is. Over to you.
Saurabh, that was like insightful. And being in myself in the corporate world for almost 2 decades, I have worked before I got into this my role since last almost 3/4 of the decade now. Okay, I have followed, learned. I learned the hard way, and from which I actually see the life as. What happens most of the time when you share this example, when somebody is not performing, going out of company, dhakka marna, ye karna, punishing karna, that is all. I observed because I was at the senior level, so I also had a large team to look upon. I learned that most of the time the issue is not about that are you able to get it solved or not solved. The focus is at a wrong place. Now, when I say focus at the wrong place, what do I mean? Whether in your personal life you are the senior member of the family, whether you are a parent, grandparent, or anybody senior member, or in corporate world you are the boss or supervisor or the manager. Most of the time we talk about the person. Listen to me what I am saying, and I would like to really express this. We talk about the person, usko ye nahi karna aata, wo ye nahi karta, wo ye nahi karta. Rather than talking about the particular activity of the person. Now, when I was in the corporate world, my team had the least issue of retention. Whereas many other teams had most of the issues, because with my direct reportees, I have always followed this and I made my team to follow it. That अगर आप किसी को बोलते हो कि तेरे को अकल नहीं है, तो you are telling that person that you are totally senseless. अब कोई भी इंसान total senseless नहीं हो सकता है.
Correct.
आप उसको किसी एक एक्टिविटी के बेसिस में बोल रहे हो, सौरभ, तुम्हारा ये काम जो तुम करते हो उसमें तुम साइंस नहीं लगाते हो. टॉक अबाउट द एक्टिविटी ना. घर में हो, आज मैं और आप एक अच्छे फ्रेंड हैं, मैं देखता हूँ कि सौरभ, आप देखते हो कि मेरे को I am not so much in social media, for example. You know that. Now, when I'm not so much, I don't spend a lot of time in social media. You say you are a dumb. How can you say you are a dumb?
Right. Yeah.
Sanjeev, related to social media and the time you need to present into social media, you are going a little low. Now I understand you're not pointing on me.
Correct.
You're pointing on one particular activity, and no person on earth feels bad about that.
Yeah.
Person, जब हम simplicity की बात कर रहे हैं सौरभ, तो my point to everybody with this point what you just raised is, if you can stop pointing to anybody as a person, and you can start talking about a particular activity. See how it will change entirely. The real would actually be real, and you would talk about the real thing rather than the general thing, and tagging somebody as a person tagging somebody.
Awesome.
That's what I would share. So and that's what in our this program SSS we are supposed to talk about simplicity. So आप हमने जब पॉइंट को डिस्कस करा सौरभ ने, हमने आपको बताया ये इशू आता है, हाउ टू डू व्हाट टू डू एज अ सिंप्लिसिटी. स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन पर्सन्स activity. I would say, Saurabh, you are great in this. I would never say, Saurabh, you are good. I would say, Saurabh, you are great. Now, I have been talking yesterday to a group and I was sharing about you. The way you have taken charge of this situation which you are just going through in your life is a difficult situation. It's a hard situation. But I am appreciating that, not that Saurabh is strong. I'm saying Saurabh has taken charge of this situation as a very strong way. And I admire about that. Otherwise, this is, you know what you're talking. And our
Yes.
viewers also know that. You
Yes.
asked your dad recently. So, if I can start appreciating or something that I want into somebody to improve, I can, if I focus on the task rather than the person, it will be so peaceful, loving. मजा आ जाएगा.
Bilkul. You are absolutely right. So I think we have time for one more question. Sanjeev, do you have any questions?
So
On your side?
yeah, so I have a special question, and this question is related to a lady. She says, I understand what you have been talking all throughout, and she's an aged lady. Okay. She says, my point is between real and artificial. I've spent all my life contributing to my family, my husband's family, but I'm not being understood. I have always been, तो कहते हैं ना, मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें अपने लाइफ में कुर्बान करी है. मैंने अपने को नहीं देखा, पूरे उस तरह से देखा है. And still at this age, when I have grandchildren, she's saying I have grandchildren, I'm still being pointed that I am worthless. What is real and what is artificial?
हमने कल बात की थी शायद कि सबसे पहले क्या करो, कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिस पर्सन, first thing in the morning when you wake up, look in the mirror and see what do you see. Whatever thoughts you get, don't worry about whatever thoughts, just write them down. The first 3-4 thoughts you get are the 3-4 thoughts that everybody gets about you. And when you get those thoughts, it's like saying, no, ki I am green. Okay, so everybody will see me as green. Very simple. So everybody is seeing you as green. So if you're saying so like you said, don't generalize. I am not getting respect. Question mark when? And you will start seeing very pointed situations of times when you don't get respect. They could be 90% of the times, I'm not denying that. But there will be 10% of times where you actually get respect, but you never notice it. Similarly, when you wake up in the morning, I'm not looking that handsome. दाढ़ी बढ़ गई है, शेव करना पड़ेगा, अरे आंखों के नीचे बैग्स आ रहे हैं, अरे ये हो रहा है, अरे वो हो रहा है. हम कभी ये नहीं बोलते वाव, बोलते हैं? Maybe 1% of the people, yes, you of course would do. 1% of people will say wow, और नहीं तो उठते ही अरे यार बैक में दर्द है, बुढ़ापा आ रहा है. These are the conversations we start with about ourselves. when we don't talk about ourselves, and that is the reality. What people are telling you about you is all artificial. What you are telling you about yourself is real because they are only reflecting what you feel about yourself. They don't reflect anything else. This is science. When you look at something like my wall is yellow at the back, that's because the wall, that color decided to be yellow. So I see it as yellow. The color decided to be something else, it would become something else. I wouldn't see it that way. Similarly, whatever you decide to see yourself as is it. तो सुबह उठ के झुर्रियाँ मत गिनो, आंखों में आंखें डालो और बोलो हेलो ब्यूटीफुल, हेलो हैंडसम, हाउ आर यू. अब इसका क्या होगा, जो हमने कल बात की थी, अरे आई एम बीइंग बोस्टफुल अबाउट माई सेल्फ. नहीं नहीं, ऐसे थोड़ा ना बोल सकते, आंखें झुका लेंगे हम. जब हम खुद से आंखें मिला के एक खुद को कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकते तो दूसरे हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्यों दें? वाई शुड दे डू इट? अपनी नज़रों से नज़रें मिलाओ, अपने आप को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करो, फिर दुनिया अपने आप करना शुरू कर देगी. तो whatever issues you are having, switch that within you and you will see everything switch around you. Which goes back to, I think, few weeks ago where we talked about control. You know, we want everybody else to change but us. Even for ourselves. How we see ourselves, we want people to see it differently. But I want to see myself as ugly. I want people to see me as handsome, but I want to see myself as ugly. And that's where our core of this challenge lies. What do you think?
What you're sharing, so it reminds me almost all the married men in life, that after some time or at any stage, I've heard almost everybody, I would say, whom I met, कि सब आदमी बोलते हैं कि कहीं ना कभी उनकी लाइफ में उनकी वाइफ आके पूछती है, मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ क्या? अब सिंपल है यार, you are declaring yourself to be moti, that's why you are asking. So Saurabh, what you just said, and this reminded me of this example, and that's where I would say that it was so awesome. Like simple, अगर हम बोलें कि it is, when you go to the market, you see there is a tag onto the product, the price of that product, the composition of that product, the value of that product. आप कभी भी उस प्रोडक्ट के मैन्युफैक्चरर से जाके क्वेश्चन नहीं करते हो कि आपने इसकी ये कॉस्टिंग क्यों रखी है. उसमें जो टैग में आपने लिख दिया, जो वैल्यू डाल दी ना, दैट्स कंसीडर्ड उस प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन गुची एंड अरमानी एंड एनीथिंग? अल्टीमेटली अगर मैं घड़ी की बात करूं तो सब में टाइम में एक ही दिखता है. जो सड़क पे 100 रुपए की घड़ी मिलती है, उसकी भी वो भी वही काम करती है जो ये करते हैं. Am I right or wrong? The difference is the tag. And Saurabh, as you rightly said, and this lady who asked me about this question कि मेरे को सब devalue करते हैं, आप इतना कुछ करते हो. सौरभ ने बोला, let's say it is 90% of the time. What are you focusing on? What are you tagging yourself? If you are tagging that I am worthless, मेरे से कोई प्यार नहीं करता, मेरे काम की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, this is the tag you are tagging on yourself. डॉक्टर सौरभ ने बोला कि 90% ऑफ टाइम आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा, लेकिन 10% ऑफ टाइम ऐसा भी हुआ होगा जहां पे आपकी कुछ वैल्यू हुई होगी.
करेक्ट.
आप उस 10% पे फोकस करो, मेरी वैल्यू है. आपकी टैगिंग में जो मार्किंग है वो चेंज हो जाएगी. आई एम वैल्यूएबल, आई एम रेस्पेक्टेबल, आई एम रेस्पेक्टेड. जहां आपने ये शुरू करा, हमारा काम सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ चलना है. जहां आपने ये शुरू करा, आप देखिए धीरे धीरे, जो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि आप सुबह अपने चेहरे की झुर्रियां गिनते हो या चेहरे की स्मार्टनेस देखते हो, आपने झुर्रियों को छोड़ के स्मार्टनेस देखना शुरू करा. आप देखिए झुर्रियां अपने आप गायब हो जाएगी. जब झुर्रियां गायब हो जाएगी आपके मन से, आपके तन से, तो सामने वाला क्या आपकी झुर्री गिनवाएगा या आपकी स्मार्टनेस गिनवाएगा?
मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मैं कभी कभी बोलता हूँ अपने आप को, व्हाट इफ आई लुक, व्हाट विल इट टेक फॉर मी टू लुक very slim today, and nothing changes. Okay, my body weight remains the same, but people start telling me, "Arey Saurabh, you've lost weight." It's as simple as that. If you're ready to do it, it's as simple as that.
Absolutely.
If you're ready to do it. If.
So, Saurabh, I say what you said, that's what the fundamental which also changed my life. हम सबके साथ ऐसा होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि इस लेडी के साथ हुआ, बहुतों के साथ होता है. दुनिया का काम है यार दूसरों को डिवैल्यू करना. कुछ लोग आपको डिवैल्यू करते हैं जानबूझ के, कुछ लोग आपको डिवैल्यू करते हैं आपको सोच समझ के, बट अंडर ऑल सर्कमस्टेंस जब कोई डिवैल्यू कर रहा है, दैट इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड ग्रो मोर. लेकिन वो तब होगा जब मैं अपने आप के उस पोर्शन को भी ध्यान रखूंगा कि मैं वैल्यूएबल हूँ.
करेक्ट.
वाओ, दैट वाज अ ग्रेट thing, great discussion, and for all the lovely questions from our regular participants. This is where we come once a day, every Sunday, for half an hour long discussion on the topic and every question. And as we come every day for 7 to 10 minutes of discussion, you are most welcome, and we love you all for your participation, for your questions, for your contribution, for your point of view. It's not that me and Dr. Saurabh, we are the preacher. We are also learning along with you. Thank you very much to all of you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you next Sunday again on this channel, YouTube channel, Life Coach Sanjeev. And you can join us live on Zoom. You get the link. And of course, from tomorrow onwards, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, let's meet on Instagram, doc.sb. And every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Life Coach Sanjeev. And you find us every day. And if you want to really be updated, if you miss something, do join us into our group.
WhatsApp group. Yes.
WhatsApp group. Okay. And that would be the best part, to join us and be updated for everything. Thank you very much. Till then, namaste.